is India Today super exclusive. Andhra's Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan has spoken to India Today television. And this is specifically on the Nandyal rape case. This is about a child rape case that had happened. Here Pawan Kalyan has said disciplinary measures are needed in schools and that there will be a brainstorming that's needed in this case. Remember that this was about a very disturbing gang rape murder case of an 8-year-old girl, if I'm correct. Let's listen in first to what Pawan Kalyan said.
For me, it was a deep shock for me when I read about this. And the concern people conveyed this news to me yesterday. It's quite alarming for me. And it's... see, both of the issues here, all three of them are minors. But the cruelty is unimaginable. They're like adults, trapped in underage minors. See, so we have a dichotomy here. There is a moral dichotomy. I said to punish them, they're not even 18. If it is not minors, my approach would have been very different. That's why I'm being a little thoughtful and way I'm saying it.
So that's the reaction that's come in from the Deputy Chief Minister. Apurva Jayachandran continues to join us in this case. I remember that there was a massive search that was launched for this, and then we got the heartbreaking news. What precisely is happening in this case? How do you think the government will progress with it now?
Well, in fact, we have seen the response from the Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan. In fact, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu had also responded on the same. In fact, he has also said that stringent action will be taken. Remember, this is especially a case regarding a minor there who had been sexually assaulted. She had been raped and murdered. In fact, search operations are still going on. That's what officials do tell us. In fact, the district official has spoken on this issue in Nandyal district where this has taken place, and they've said that there needs to be counselling that has to be taken place, not only to school children but also to the parents of these children as well, to ensure that what kind of things these children are watching, what are they looking into, all of these have to be strictly monitored. In fact, the state government has called for officials from across all sectors to look into what kind of action can be taken and what are the measures that they can go ahead way forward to ensure that these kind of incidents are not a repetence here in Andhra Pradesh.
Remember that this 8-9-year-old girl was allegedly gang raped and then murdered by juveniles from her own school, not about 12 or 15 years of age, who have confessed to the cops. Absolutely disturbing and needs a solid review with regard to the society as well. Thank you very much for getting us this big reaction, an exclusive reaction coming in of Deputy Chief Minister.